Hiya, welcome to Joe Reviews. Today I'm looking at a breakfast wrap from Myprotein. Let's go and check it out. Hiya, how you doing? Welcome along to Joe Reviews. Today I'm looking at this. And it's a breakfast wrap and it's from Myprotein, available in Iceland and Food Warehouse. And it's priced at £4. And it comes with 40 grams of protein, 508 calories, low in sugar, and I'll tell you what's in it: chicken, sausage, egg and bacon, and a wrap. And it takes about 10 minutes to cook in the microwave from frozen. So there you go. I'll just put the nutritional information here for you so you can have a little gander. Let's have a look at it in its frozen state. Oh. So there you go. It doesn't come with any wrapping, it just comes raw. Oh, and a bit of wrap has fallen on the floor. So it just comes like this, raw. There you go. So I'll crack it in the microwave now, heat it up and see what it's all about. See you in a sec. Right then, so I've cooked up this wrap in the microwave. It was 800 watts for 4 minutes, then let it stand for 2 minutes, and then 3 minutes, and then let it stand for 2 minutes. And I got it out of the microwave, and there you go. It's split, and there's no nice way of putting that, is there? It doesn't really look appetising, does it? It looks like someone's vomited all over their plate, doesn't it? So there you go. But I will try some, and hopefully it will not taste like vomit. I have done a few other meals. I've done katsu curry and I've done a tikka wrap, which were both awesome. So check out the videos for them. Also hit that subscribe, like the video as well. Much love, much appreciated. Ooh, it does taste all right. So I'm guessing this is just a wrap on its own. Taste-wise, it's all right. It's not as good as the other two that I've tried, I'll be honest with you. That's how it says it'll look. That's how it comes. So don't forget that. It's all right. It's very chickeny. Yeah. I don't know really what to make of it. It's not unpleasant. It's okay. I mean, is it one of them just because I'm hungry? I'm like, yeah, anything will taste okay. Would I buy it again? Probably not, no. So, there you go. Myprotein breakfast wrap comes out like on the plate. There you go. Thanks a lot. That's £4 down there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Smash a like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. See you later.